Hello everyone, welcome back to BL Touch channel. Today I have an important exercise for you. It is using the count, counter and count blank functions. Static call functions such as sum and count compile and classify data to present significant information. Use the count function when you want to determine how many cells in a range contain a number. There are other variations of count function. The count function count all non-blank entries in a range, whether they include text or number. The count blank function count the number of blank cells in a range. Get ready. Please use our previous file. Our file name is budget cell references. So, are you ready? Everyone, please open the file. In cell O5, type count and press enter. This is the label identifying the formula you will enter in next step. In cell O6, type equal count open parenthesis. You select A6 to -6 to -6, close parenthesis and press enter. The result 9 is the number of months in which you budgeted for miscellaneous expenses. The count function disregards the entry in A6 because it doesn't contain a number, and the function also disregards blank cells. In P5, type count and then press enter. This is the label identifying the formula you will enter in next step. In cell P6, type equal count open parenthesis select A6 to -6, close parenthesis, press enter. The result 10 is the number of non-blank entries in the range. In cell Q5, type count blank, then press enter. This is the label identifying the formula, you will enter the next step. In cell, choose it, type equal count blank, open parenthesis, you select A6 to âm6, you close parenthesis and press enter. The result 3 is the number of blank entries in the rank A6 âm6. You can see this figure. Then you press save the workbook. This workbook will use again in next exercise. Thank you for today. In next exercise, I will show you about average function. And have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.